Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Msvcp140.dll missing error. Let's fix it guys. First solution is to download DirectX and Visual C++ guys. These two programs are Microsoft DLL libraries. By downloading these programs, we will complete the missing DLL files guys. To download it, you just need to check my video description for this download link guys. You just need to scroll down and select your language and select download guys, and it will be automatically downloads up. And the same thing for Microsoft Visual C++. I will be given in my description, check it out. You just need to scroll down. If you are using 32-bit, you just want to download this link guys. I am using 64-bit, that's why I'm gonna download this link. After getting download done, click on open it and install it guys one by one. Click on yes, click on I accept the argument and select next, and install the bring bar. You just need to uncheck it and select next guys. After getting finished, click on finish, and you just want to install the Microsoft Visual C++ which had downloaded. You just need to select the install option and install it guys. I don't have install option, I already have this file, that's why I'm not getting it. You just want to install it, and after getting installed done, you just need to restart your computer guys. After getting restart done, check your problem has been resolved or not. If you still having a problem, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to manually place the missing DLL file into our system files guys. To do this, we need to have the missing DLL. For that, go and check my video description for this link guys used in my video. Open it up and you just want to scroll down. As in this website mentioned it, if you are using 32-bit computer, you just need to 32 in system 32, you just need to place the 32-bit folder guys. If you are 64-bit using computer, you just need to install both of it and place the installed DLL and place in both folder guys. I will do it guys. For that, you just need to download the 32-bit one. After getting download done, click on show in folder. You just need to open this folder guys, zip folder. You just need to copy the DLL file in here, copy it, and go to this PC and double click on the local disk C and double click on the Windows. In here you just need to search for system 32 guys. You just want to right click on it and select paste it in guys. We are just going to paste in the DLL in this folder. Select replace the file destination and select continue. I already have this folder guys, that's why I'm getting this error guys. Try again. You just need to continue it guys. You don't have any problem like this. And after getting placed in, you just need to close out of here. You don't need to do this if your system is 32 guys. After this step, click on download the 64-bit DLL file and download it. After getting download done, click on show in folder. Open the folder we just downloaded. Copy the DLL file and go to this PC. Double click on the local disk C and double click on the Windows. Now search for SYSWOW64 guys. You just need to search for, and you just want to right click on it and select paste it in guys. Replace the file destination and select continue. After getting paste, you just need to close out of here as everything, and you just need to restart your PC guys. Go ahead and restart your PC. After getting restart done, hopefully your problem will be resolved guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.